I'm walking down the street on clouds instead of the concrete I'm dancing through. Everything's about to come my way. Nothing can ruin my day, no matter what anyone does or say.
So I was talking to you about the new Shark. The new Shark, let's just say. And so we're doing the unboxing now, but this isn't like, hasn't been sponsored or given to me or anything like that to review. We decided it was time for a new one. So Chris is getting it out. He's got his Father Christmas top on with his jammy bottoms. Forever the style icon. It's because it's New Year's Eve. He said, last chance of wearing Santa, a bit late, but you know, get a bit of wear out of it. So this one is the Shark corded upright vacuum with lift away technology and anti-hair wrap brush roll. So our other one was anti-hair wrap, and it was also corded. We've had cordless ones in the past. They don't, for the amount of like dog hair we have, and they don't hold enough charge at any one time, so we have to do some, put it back on charge, and we just didn't want that. So the last one we had is also a corded one. So yeah, this is the one that we've got. So I'll do some of those. Bread in the oven.
I noticed, of course, it's all in paper now, not plastic wrap, so it's recyclable.
seems to have a bigger, yeah, that, doesn't it? That probably fits underneath, you know, or something like. Does that fit in that bit there at the side? Oh, saying. It didn't click. Was it meant to click? Oh, no, it's in, yeah. It's in.
There's a release button underneath.
Okay. And then that's to put those on the. So 2 of those, one each side for those. Don't know if that one goes on there. So on the other side. Okay.
That's it.
Okay. Is there different levels of flooring, or does it automatically go over? Let me have a look at the instructions, because I think it does.
Well, it says 2 floor modes.
Yeah.
Print is too small for me to read.
Okay.
It's
Here we go. Select surface cleaner, power, hard floor. For hard floors, small areas, rugs or delicate carpets, the brush roll will spin but at a slower speed. So it must have, you go to 0 on that side button. And then,
so that's 1 and 2.
yeah, and then you go to 2 for carpets.
Yeah, 1 for hard floor, 2 for carpets, is it?
No. Oh yeah, number 1 for hard floor, sorry, 2 for carpets. Yeah.
It's heavier than the other one.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Right, so number 1, is it on number 1 for hard floors? It's down here. Is that number 1? Funny how they bark at a Hoover like this, they don't bark at Dave. So let's see what's got up. Anything already? Mind you, it's not carpets down here, is it? It's like hard floor. Oh yeah, it's good. Oh yeah, it's good. Yeah, that's good. Right.
I won't go all.
No. Right. I was going to put Dave around today, however, I'm going to give this a little go downstairs and then maybe tomorrow, no, New Year's Day, I'm not doing it tomorrow, maybe the next day, Tuesday, I will hoover upstairs. I'm not going to do it on New Year's Day. Oh, we'll see, no we're not. So yes, so far, I'm very, very pleased with that. And I'm sure, you know, every new one they bring out is going to be an improvement on the one before. But I don't know how they can really improve anything, because they're just fabulous, fabulous cleaners. I wouldn't buy anything else other than Shark and Ninja, who happen to be the same company. So yeah, I hope you've enjoyed just looking at this little review of the new Shark that we've purchased. Incidentally, we did buy this in the Boxing Day sale, and it was more than £100 reduced, so it made sense. If and when we were going to buy a new one, it was then. So still no spend January. Go me. Who is she? I'll see you in the next video, my lovelies. Take care, everyone. Bye.
I'm walking down the street on clouds instead of the concrete. I'm dancing through. Everything's about to come my way.